Arrive in style with this 2008 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, auxiliary audio input, Bluetooth connection, brake assist, bucket seats and child safety locks. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.